Today we're diving into an important topic: how contraceptives work. Whether you're looking to understand your options or just curious, we've got you covered. Let's break it down. Contraceptives, also known as birth control, help prevent pregnancy in several different ways. Let's start with hormonal contraceptives. Hormonal contraceptives include birth control pills, patches, injections, and rings. These methods use synthetic hormones to prevent pregnancy. Here's how they work. 1. Preventing ovulation. The hormones stop the ovaries from releasing an egg each month. 2. Thickening cervical mucus. This makes it harder for sperm to swim through the cervix. 3. Thinning the uterine lining. This makes it less likely for a fertilized egg to implant and grow. Each method has its own schedule. Pills are taken daily, patches are changed weekly, rings are inserted monthly, and injections are administered every 3 months. Next, let's talk about barrier methods. These create a physical barrier to prevent sperm from reaching the egg. 1. Condoms. Both male and female condoms physically block sperm from entering the uterus. 2. Diaphragms and cervical caps. These are placed over the cervix before intercourse. 3. Spermicides. Chemicals that kill or immobilize sperm, often used with other barrier methods for added effectiveness. Now let's move on to intrauterine devices, or IUDs. These are small T-shaped devices inserted into the uterus by a healthcare provider. Copper IUDs release copper, which is toxic to sperm and prevents fertilization. Hormonal IUDs release progestin, which thickens cervical mucus and sometimes stops ovulation. Emergency contraception is used after unprotected sex to prevent pregnancy. Emergency contraceptive pills, like Plan B and Ella, contain high doses of hormones to prevent or delay ovulation. The copper IUD can be inserted up to 5 days after unprotected sex and works by preventing fertilization and implantation. For those looking for permanent solutions, sterilization might be an option. Tubal ligation involves sealing or blocking the fallopian tubes to prevent eggs from reaching the uterus. Vasectomy is a procedure that cuts or seals the vas deferens, preventing sperm from mixing with semen. Lastly, there are natural methods. Fertility awareness involves tracking your menstrual cycle to avoid sex on fertile days. Withdrawal, also known as the pull-out method, involves removing the penis from the vagina before ejaculation. Each contraceptive method has its own effectiveness, side effects, and suitability depending on your health needs and lifestyle. It's important to discuss with a healthcare provider to choose the best option for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more educational content. See you next time.